Driving on Indian highways will soon be a satelliting experience, with tolls calculated based on your journey. Get ready for a toll revolution that's truly out of this world. Hello everyone, this is Priyanshu Chaudhary for SME Futures, and in today's video, we will be discussing and exploring Nitin Gadkari's pioneering satellite-driven toll collection system. Well, before diving in, let's understand toll's fundamental concepts and its purpose.
Picture this. You are crushing down the highway and suddenly you encounter a toll booth. But what exactly are tolls? These road charges are the gatekeepers of our highways, bridges, and tunnels, maintaining the lifeline of our roads. NHAI has set rules and exemption for toll taxes, determining how charges are calculated and applied on specific highways and expressways.
Now you might wonder why the tolls. India boasts one of the world's most extensive road networks. Toll payments are essential to maintain and improve road infrastructure. These charges vary for each expressway, highway, bridge or tunnel, ensuring efficient road maintenance and speedy travel.
NHAI sets uniform tax rates based on vehicle type, distance, and time at toll booths. Plazas are strategically placed to avoid congestion and environmental issues. Certain vehicles, like emergency and military ones, are exempt. Multiple payment methods are offered for efficient tax collection at all toll booths.
Let's rewind to the past. Tolls were traditionally paid through a manual cash transaction at toll booths. Another method is utilizing FASTag, an electronic toll collection system that employs radio frequency identification technology for automatic toll deduction.
Imagine a world where your tolls are as precise as a satellite's orbit. Well, the government is introducing a new satellite-based toll collection system to revolutionize toll collection processes. This system operates on the Global Navigation Satellite System, also known as GNSS, and utilizing technology like the Global Positioning System, also known as GPS, and India's GPS-aided Geo-Augmented Navigation, known as GAGAN. This system guarantees precise toll calculation based on the distance traveled.
आज मैं एक रोड पे जाता हूँ, एक जगह टोल ले लिया और 300 किलोमीटर दूर तक मैंने तय करना है कि वहाँ जाना है, तो टोल तो मैंने पूरे रोड का दे दिया, वाई शुड आई पे, दो दूँ मैं, तो जितना चलूँ उतना पेमेंट करूँ। तो मेरे दिल में है कि जो सैटेलाइट है उसको उतना ही कैप्चर करेगा जितना जब तक वो रोड पे है। रोड से ऑफ हो गया तो सैटेलाइट चार्ज नहीं करेगा। तो बैरियर फ्री भारत हो, वो कल्पना थी माननीय गडकरी जी की, वो अब हो रही है। जैसे हमने टोल के ऊपर एक बैरियर के ऊपर एक 100% फास्टैग की बजाय कुछ ऐसे परसेंटेज है तो फास्टैग से नहीं चलते। ह्यूमन है, आदमी है, एक नेचर में होती है, उससे हेराफेरी भी हो सकती है, कई बार चोरी चकारी भी हो सकती है। जब सैटेलाइट से जो काम होगा वो 100% ट्रांसपेरेंसी होगा, एक टैग बेस होगा, एक डिजिटल होगा, तो जितना पैसा लिया जाता है वो अकाउंट फॉर होगा। एक चीज़ थोड़ी चैलेंज होती है, वो हमारे हिंदुस्तान में सबके माइंड में आती है कि मेरी प्राइवेसी तो लीक नहीं हो जाएगी, मैं कहाँ जा रहा हूँ, क्या जा रहा हूँ, वो किसको पता है? वो एक गवर्नमेंट के सर्वर को पता है, सैटेलाइट को पता है। वो आज भी पता है जब हम फास्टैग से जाते हैं तो कि मैं कहाँ हूँ, किधर हूँ, हर फास्टैग से वो रिकॉर्ड बनता है। तो प्राइवेसी सरकार को यदि कोई चीज़ पता भी है तो वो लाभकारी ही होगी, किसी अच्छे काम के लिए लाभ होगी, अदरवाइज उसका कोई नुकसान नहीं होगा। तो सब मिलाकर ऑल टुगेदर यदि मैं कहूँ फायदे करीबन यदि 99% है तो नुकसान कोई एक आधा %।
Vehicles equipped with an onboarding unit, also known as OBU, or tracking devices will be charged based on the distance traveled on the highways. Digital image processing will capture coordinates along the national highways, allowing software algorithms to set toll rates. CCTV cameras will monitor compliance and enforcement for smooth operation.
The toll payments will be deducted from a digital wallet linked to the OBU, simplifying the toll payment process. Initially introduced in conjunction with FASTag, this system aims to enhance efficiency and provide additional convenience for travelers.
Currently, NHAI collects about rupees 40,000 crore in toll revenue, with expectations of this amount reaching rupees 1.40 trillion in the next 2 to 3 years. The satellite-driven GPS tolling system beams down, crafting a modern tale of transport evolution. That concludes for today's video. Stay tuned in to SME Futures as we uncover more stories of discovery and innovation.